This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you connect to a printer from your iPhone, following an easy guide. First, ensure your printer and iPhone are both active and connected to the exact same Wi-Fi network. This is a crucial initial step. Most modern printers support Apple's AirPrint feature, which makes printing incredibly straightforward. If you are unsure, check your printer's manual or the manufacturer's website to confirm AirPrint compatibility. Having both devices on the same network and confirming AirPrint will pave the way for a smooth printing experience. Once your devices are on the same network, it is time to double-check that your printer is ready for AirPrint. On your iPhone, go into your settings, then tap Wi-Fi, and simply confirm you are connected to the correct network. For your printer, you should look for the AirPrint logo or check its model number online. Many manufacturers also offer specific apps that allow printing if AirPrint is not supported, providing another convenient option for you. This step ensures seamless communication between your phone and printer. Now that your printer is ready, let's print something. Begin by opening the specific item you want to print, whether it is a photo, a document, an email, or even a web page. Look for the share icon, typically located at the bottom or top of your screen. It is a square with an arrow pointing upwards. Tapping this icon reveals various options. Scroll down through these choices until you find and select the print option. This action will open the print setup menu, moving you closer to getting your pages in hand. After tapping print, a new screen appears, prompting you to select your printer. Tap on Select Printer at the very top. Your iPhone will now search for compatible AirPrint devices on your network. Once your printer appears in the list, simply tap on its name to select it. Below this, you can customize your print job. Choose how many copies you need, perhaps 2 or 3, or specify a particular page range, like pages 1 through 4. Once your settings are perfect, you are ready for the final step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.